bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to be making some fun tags today. I want to show you guys how I created these fun tags that I'm going to use to attach them to these Halloween little bottle drinks that I'm going to get. I love how these tags turned out. I think they turned out absolutely adorable and they're so cute, and I want to show you guys how I made these. Okay, so let's get started. My voice is still a little bit raspy and I still am trying to recuperate, so just bear with me. Okay, so what we did here is I already cut out the tags that I'm using. The shape of the tag that I'm using is very simple. I bought these beautiful like Indian rugs, and the rugs had these beautiful tags that were wrapped around the material, the fabric. And so I love how the shape of this tag looked, so I kept it, and I'm using this as a template so I can create these tags. So all I did was I used some Halloween paper, I traced it down as you can see here, and I basically just cut out my tags to this shape. That's all I did. Okay, now the papers that I'm using is from the same paper pad that we used on the last Halloween series video, which was the biohazardous little label, the little orange stripy paper on the back of this is the same paper that I'm using for these tags, and also the same paper that's in that pad is for this one right here. Okay, now the labels that we are using to create the tags are the labels that I got at my Ghost, and these are just basically like you would call these, I guess you would call these like potion labels, and they're really fun to use. I kind of really thought they were awesome, and so I'm using these labels to decorate my tag. What I did, the first thing I did was I bought these little white tags at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and you can get these really anywhere. Staples also sells them. These are just like little circle tabs, and I thought that would be a great idea to add to this gift tag. So what I did was I added these little tabs to my gift tag, and I just had glue a nice little plastic bat in front of it. Okay, so if you can see, like with these right here, okay, you just have a nice little plastic bat, and I hot glue it to the front of the little tabs. Okay, these tabs, you can find them again at the Dollar Tree or Staples. They usually come in multiple colors or in white, so keep that in mind. Okay, now I add my tabs to my tag. Okay, and now I'm going to work with the front of my beautiful gift tag. So here I have these labels that I want to add, and I want to show you what I did with these labels. The only thing that I did was I used some scrapbook paper, leftover scrapbook paper. Okay, and what I did was I took the label and I backed it to a white scrapbook paper so that I can basically cut this off, fuzzy cut it, and add it in front of my tag. Okay, so let's do that now. Just fuzzy cut it. You don't have to be exactly perfect. Okay. And then once we fuzzy cut our little sign, we're going to add some double-sided dimensions on it. Okay, because we want our sign to be raised up. So let's do that. Let's add some double-sided dimension tape on the back of our sign. And then we're going to add our little label to the front of our tag, just like that. See that? Just like that. I think I'm going to add another one here because this is a pretty big label. Let's add another one up here. Okay, let's peel this off. And we're going to add this right in the center. Peel these off. And we're going to add this one right there. And we have one more. Okay? There you go. Beautiful. I love this idea of using these little white tabs. Okay, beautiful. Now, the only other thing that I did when it comes to these tags is I added a plastic spider in the corner of each of these beautiful labels. I have my plastic spiders right here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the backing of it, okay, on all three of them, so I can add it right over this area of my label. See that? So let's hot glue these beautiful orange spiders. Okay. And let's get this one. I love these labels. I think they're so cute. These like poison or poison bottle labels. They're so cute. There you go. And that's it. We're basically done with our tag. I love it. It turned out so cute. You see that? And that's how I created these really fun, awesome little tags for my little drink that I'm going to get. I have to go and get it. I did not pick it up this week. I had ideas of going, but I wasn't really feeling very well, so I didn't go this weekend. But I am planning to go and get the drinks, and then I'm planning to attach this to the little bottles. They're so cute. They're Halloween inspired little drinks, and it's just adorable. It's gonna look really cute hung up from the bottles. But and anyway, this is what you're gonna get. Okay, so this is a tag that I created for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy me watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these tags. Once I buy the little drinks, I will take a picture of it and I'm going to Instagram it. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to see more pictures. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on my next video. Love you and be safe. Bye, honey bunnies.